Come on. So, my brothers and sisters, I just want to let you understand this issue of adulteress sleeping with married women, man, it's not fair. Time for we to tackle these idiots, this nikopo, or that thing we don't know any death your home. Yari, if don't me a via of your yeva, if you have a little near, tell the way you are all your rusuya. A mighty Yerusu monobian and Bomaya. A week by her, I am with again, but a mighty the other run on honest with a Guaman a bio. A mighty none of ye near at your over and one man, no making a cookie yet. That is a shame. These young men are dwekini bania. A cop better know who are the Badafe we don't know. Here I am with Bishop Oni and Dwagbe social media. Abi? But is here no who are no who are no matter cookie here and here. Is here your bear when you have your berry webo. And I'm here with the day, no, no, real Navy, King Jogger. And Robert Ogivieruna, all the name of Bob Binobie, or Bob Webo since 1999. Please share this video for me. Share me this video. Share this video. But talk about no Iviera every year. Away me Ramami says, this adulteress of 15, the new adulteress Sitan. Not to sit down, Gidigba. You understand? Not because they carry my people, they waka or without no compose. But I just want to make a throw the highlightation to you. So that if the direction is already on the board, you will know that. Or make you come the house and say, Ibizugbe, what is the new agenda again? Or what is the new update? The new update now is the new adultery in town. Oh, Agamiawaya Efe, aka Isioluk or Daphne Widow. And Ito and Douglas. Easy money. I was 61 years. Oh, yeah. But based on who not for him, man. When no man who not for him, man. And I'm here where Rudoni, oh, yes, so you are bleaching on here. Oh, what am I bleach? Ruda where, oh, who not for no, where man, man. And I'm here with Yamimi. No, who not say no, who not beer. A big boy bar. Oh, yeah, love your care. Ajabo I human be sorry I human die dangbe 46 47 it all say but this woman ajabo you know do time ma woro bi ohona we no hona yen take we lawa ruda yen we na yen bere gbe ya ne amaka yen kan da fun eno ya sunwu ana me we ona mo hona dey we 61 years old woman ohona degbe do I bogbe but mano bere bogbe ni ma emi no sunu ma en got away ni e ko emu la owa egbe mi le don ri se we omo vi ye ana mi we e don ri se mi omo vi ye go mi ona kai ka wa kai moto kai mi ya e ke no yele na neve gbo wa don ri se na ya record e oni oko no ga ho after bogbe ebe no yige ya mu zebu na egbe ni se oluku we all those accounts. Et donc, il s'agit de moi, je vais on a record où est et que nous venons d'en for he to blackmail that lady so that a woman here will be me a baboya babebo. Oh, we are going to say, yo, I do attack. But based off a more, no one will understand the way a baby in a Dorisha who I just here. They now follow Don Richie. They now observe Don Richie. Don Richie sent $500,000 to Eddie Murphy to play that video to the whole world. All because of say where he have done with that woman. So she need the grace. Who for many years. Okwoni na anebe. Una mwige ere ya aza. Ogbalegbe na do trace te. Ye na gbebe. O emi afefe no yuwu ehun. Imoto de o. Oh, what do? A canoe we are both. Road that way. Or Donia, men of him, a benna or Daphne widow be aware. Ito. He had to make Benia yak be Douglas in there. A Douglas might have woo, and you know why I'm not boy Mudiane. Anna me where a Douglas in Ragbon. Ito ana bo one okbea. A Douglas in Ragbon. Ito ana mo were Ona ya mune okpia. A Douglas Ragbon. Ito ana de ticket muno okpia. Iya boy na gba travel yana ya lodge yote. Beni ana guyo. Okona ga muhege. Ajebone obe muhe ne Douglas. Oviere mebi okpa no ma ono winye zaga. Me ona ego we ga nwo odo zaga bo keke. Ko Ibizugbe loga. But okpa no okona ya zo. When you le na jabo make na do finish okona. Igi gbe yo social media no. Yeah, is a one na after man of your guia mwe. Is going to do the cleansing so that she can go back to her husband because she am more one for ne. That give me na yigo or a mom yigo rene. Wa gwale mi o for invest na ya gwale kia no ma wo no. No do asio na no do asie kwe no. Ona me kia ya rekwe. Amata. Me no ma betani. Ekia ekwe deru ekia ene. Ukwe makono mukia. No yukunwa ene. Ana me we ito amenu we won kuse. Uma be gwale ki o ave gwale ki ma gwale ki Ghana. Uma gwale ki kokopiri. Ana do me wo bob a tresta wa awaka abodeba. Uno ya mwe kia no be wune. Ekia na ri ekia. Ekia no pakamu akamu na eti ne kwomo. Ito Douglas. We need justice for Vivian. Ayewe woya we mi yeke mena. No man team we call Vivian. We need justice for Vivian. But I tell you because Vivian to be here. Akwa mi yen we gbe based of too much ekia. Ekia wa be gboni. We are ona kion ma se ye. We ga mi a picture ye Vivian na mi Vivian wa we Vivian kion ma se ye. How the name of say too much ekia. If you know you can't what do ya kiome, and I don't kill me daidana. Oh, but not do muyowa. Your rogi, Okworogi, Okwarume, Okwararubara, Okwareye, Okwarukmo, Okware Bossat. If we are sick boy in a yago, Okwono, Yaso Wanoje, Okwono, Ogba Ogeya. So, my brothers and sisters, this topic of Itwan Douglas and this guy, please, I don't want you people to call it saga. I don't want you people to call it saga. This is how to clean adulteress so that they can go and settle it once and for all. Unless Ohoni whoever na oga tuari eko better so that my if you come with so Douglas have to come out sharply apologize to social media, take the issue, I wait it to Amaladi or that way. He need to come out, apologize to social media, take his wife indoor, do the cleansing, make una leave a different window for us for social media. Why worry? Oh God. Why worry? So please, Itwan Douglas. Iyi money asani mi agbowe e onu ari yo ebe e mi gboda fun beto pe na oreri o pe na oreri understand aria no ri abago aria iwo oria iwo obi social media o se na ri we me we o pe na e pepe na yi go dey mi niyen wa so every day. Me ona gbiyen as an adulterer man. Okpe no ya wo kono rogodo. Uto me river. Okpe no fiwe yo kono rogodo. Ona fie kia yo. Iviedo. Uto me river. Oh, come on. So ogbegbe ene. But okpa no Ivano. Itwan Douglas. If you not come out, quickly send your husband out. Apologize to social media. Now go and do the main issue, the cleansing. Ya Zoe, leave this small boy, these charlatans for us. Ibizugbe, you understand? Ya Zoe la wo. Very real. Wa wonu Ibizugbe no ga je boga tuare. Don't worry, you will know what we do. no anamia we just even of every year wa avio. So friend, understand? Believe me, wa avio. Ima only money no Isioluk. I say na ye fi kon ije da ye si okun na e ka abo si egbe. Ima only money do wu. Mara sa da wo na wu. E ba ni ewe ana mi popo se ito and Douglas. Orupe step in outdoor you are. Why this light not give sign? Oh, come in. Orupe stop it there you are. While we go on Sume, please share this video. My passage lights. And sense of it, the utter it be women in my clap. Because of say waiting the supper, waiting the bamoya, waiting the year. So my brothers and sisters, as also go while you are there, you know, last time you told the law you could I go alone on your understand. We what they say me upon okay. Odogun Kadaka. Odogun. So my brothers and sisters, Ibizugbe is already at home, but the main issue of Orphan Widow is our content for this period. Your why issue or human again. Brother, where even in Matthew, based on ilele to Okwani Wamena, Equine Beoko, Awa, Equine Beoko, Ekia any Afia. The number when I be your woman. If not book, we have a hero. Without the one would you have me, no one with Douglas ye or all the name of say, yes. Who is a war? I want to beg when you came out take over. And at your above one moment, and at your view, and at your VFA. It's on Douglas, we need to flog you. Believe me, madam, you are boy. A body when we are wearing a bow, and I'm never your concurrent a body where you wondering. I will follow Ausha. Understand? Iji married a mother like this. Who one more? Demina Gualovikia, Demina Gualowe, a whole money lemia. Umego, I tell you no piano any. What they say, they cannot give me, and I'm aware. Una do support that for her. Una ya azaye kimwe. He cannot make him kono kono kwe. Madam, he said, I been anyway. Better moge, he been yo. Because idiot, you know. No, we are daffing, we don't know. Now, don't be the initials. This is just the beginning for his issue. Please, I want you to share this video. I want you to share this video. Understand? I want you to share this video because never day humanity reveal now. From tomorrow, not before outside, not before car. I go sit down for my studio. Understand? I go sit down for my studio. I say not I'm waban ibira me biye. My way saga. No get here saga. Yari ekoni. Understand? They don't know si gbe otana ni ma we even ori awa no gbogbe ano. I'm not doing saga. I just want to clarify the whole world where we are be accusing this man for those kind of useless attitude. Unyeme no nyena. Okbeni make suspect kate be ni meje. Okbeni agba wo mo. Uda obi Spain. No. Spain of one day many years ago. So Miami near will be Spain because of yes Spain. You understand? In Miami near no magba. It will be soon Italy. ave mienwe ave dedeni e so soon that ave present the period in animality ladian ni ya dede ya o beto dafia pa bo wa yamati they not because why no bon mi Igbo but when on our na every my Douglas oh this is just the beginning for this issue. I say na tamwe na iyima sorry I wawe igbamwe wa iyima we yeme sanu egbo iyeme sanu egbo iyima oku no ge I hate you for that. Every my to Douglas Pa Douglas my leader. I will call you my leader because why? I don't know how we said it. She won't value it. The way you tell lawyer for this woman, where I have a problem with relationship with her, but when you cook bono kase, oye karakwa. And I'm aware. Okuna kabe rieba ya maya rieba ne funje no be maso we as odoni ebie na odono mwego yun ona ya e obi ameme na mu e mai ka mwe na gbon gbe na yin shosa no yo kwe fire wo poko so go fi oni pe abi ne e to anogo kana ya sun. So I called you out and I urge you as a leader, please apologize to social media. Take your wife away from social media. Go and do the clean MC. Leave this nincompoop for us. We will treat his fuck up. That one I just sure. But I don't know whether that Itoan go fit come up for social media. Because the name our agiobo and abuse. This is why Ewu Wala name never come up for social media. Anytime they mention Atuari adulteress, they must mention that man name. You see, because why? Edo we na mama, I'm a coma. So no way I will tama away. So if you hear all those kind of words from Ibizugbe, you're supposed to understand me. That is how it will be. Understand? Or say the man I do it. All the name of Civil Bob. Iwa pe ukwere. We know we man Ijebe. Ina ukwere no Ijebe. No. We are not a type of those kind of men. And we can never be the type. That is why I want to beg you, share this our video, follow this page, because the matter is going to start. You will see I'm saying hi, Ibizugbe handle am. But anyhow, I handle am. Have it in mind, say me makam mokpa, when you fear him, and then no my fearful. I will say here, on that way you have penny recharge. All the name of say we have penny recharge. Oh, you get TV. Yet do I bring a kinoba. We have to run. But my baby got penny. Then what I am told, according to Abby, you understand? And I'll be doing where a domomuni is our in the omeme of echo better. Or we have your boy to the winner. Or when also a moisabo. The meme of echo better. A no more woman in echo better. A no more organ in echo better. But we are more burrow or to noje a year of fatality. All the name of say a woman a memoge or duario zangia. And of penny metamia. I'll say, yeah, Pepe or Robbie Budoma. Here I get them with ya, ye baking, you should be off your boy now. If you can make off your boy out and you go away, they scare away from the demuria because they don't say it is short one of Odunga for the town, a rebel. If you are with them, you can be Bodo. But all of one group, not that near ya operates. I was saying, I tell you, Austin Black. A boy, wonderful twins. The senior boy, very wonderful twins. Una know Austin Black now for Italy. Understand? That brother will sing Yellow CC. You understand? That brother can play for my city here. whether na blue, complete blue, now the brother wear as a superstar. He can show for this city. My guy, I did the show, now people see me for the party. But I quick come out based on say my mission, not be say my mission don't finish. There's some charlatans who host that party. Near to based on a non time, I mean, near to league a party new one. I just stop you walk, kick my car, move. On my they call me say if they would have the fight for that place. They go meet Austin Black when put on blue and blue. Based on say superstar. They say make the guy identify himself. They can't they follow the guy fight. They bloody the guy. Nobody wait on Austin Black. Fed Italy. He dey close to Italy now. Border between Spain, between France and Italy. They bloody this guy. Even waiting this guy carry concept, they seize everything. They say make the guy identify himself. Even the guy, we even carry the guy come for show. He and us to grow for the same area. He not even say anything. Now he get the show. They can't beat superstar when you carry come show. Not be so he pay us till based on area guys. He used us to make money finish top and for those useless demodial gang set of people. They beat that guy. The brother come the verse. As I hear the matter, I call him. He say, bros, he ain't tell what he man. Austin, you dey watch me. Austin Black, you dey watch me. You know say yes. This issue. Now true how everything will happen. You will show me the blood where they bloody you. How the air of fatality because of say you put on blue. They can't begin to threaten you. If them would lead that group, they say make you identify yourself. You even tell them say you be sailor, but they don't want to hear. They don't say you put on blue. Because any river now don't dig. They believe say now only deaf if they put on blue. If them would know Austin Black, fear will let you say me you want hold Austin Black for me. They don't say me console for the city. Even the guy who even carry a console not even give him security because he invests his bone. Before you know what they bloody that our brother. They not say if I did that, it not will happen. I hate this one. Even when I did inside the party, I see all of them, they run up and down. How am I going to this because I hold camera. They not say that camera as I did do one, police they watch for tell the police. They know that. They can't go tell the guy, no Zua. No way the party about this record of Ibizugbe go implicate them all. The guy even can't meet me. Say a lot of them they run for chair. They don't want show for live video. Say bros, bless say you will stop this video. I beg. People when come the party, they run for seat. They don't want sit down. And me I see the one way they run for seat who don't want sit down. They affiliate them. Then all those that they run cat, they don't say if they do anything, that video it will implicate them. They can't go tell the Malu no we feel like yo no we coco no we have your work of Africa. They can't go tell that one say if you Ibizugbe do this video pass like this, they don't go feel operate or people don't go enter out. Everybody wants to see themselves for live video now. Everybody wants to see the fine where they find. Everybody wants to see themselves for social media, for good, for peace. We are saying a party. Just like as 24-bit they do show. Anybody with a whole camera, they will come and say, no, not record though, because why people they are afraid of you. People they are afraid of social media. People they are, have you ever seen that? People want me to come out for fun. But that idiot, if he can open my tell me say, this video go implicate many people here. They quarrel, you know, see, they not sit down. And everywhere full. People sit down. The Yoruba men, the Igbo men, those ones. But the Edo men, when they do this at the cultists, now they go meet them. They are blend the Anyman. I look and I say, bro, make I cut the video. Say, because I'll spoil everything. I like hot. Yeah, we skeleton in your understand? You go Yahweh. God, see my stamp. I stamp you, man. He pay stamp you like what? But he called me apologize after the break. He called me twice, apologize. But I was so hungry after Austin Black called me. Tell me for everything. Even tell me how this guy betrayed himself. What he buy, what you want to use. As you want to come out, this guy pay for his side back. Because him and our own boy. But when they play, when you cut this, they beat the guy. What do you talk? You don't talk anything. You don't even pay the guy for the show. But also, own boy want to promote you. You will not know music. You carry music for a bet. People will know music want to promote you. Go carry all those them mumu. They can't disturb that party. They follow Austin Black. They tear his shirt. They do everything. They break the guy come out. Austin swear say me we never touch Bodo again. I said Allah, bros, you go touch them. And the wrong people, I bring you come. And those wrong people now grow together from home. People say me now the winch with a shop. They go leave you for the one we don't know you made a shop you up. That's what it happen. Bros, you be material. Not be Europe for no. You they carry without go there, wonderful to his house. You pass me. I do a more game motor about my motors. You dey Abico, but not the Abico. You dey down there why that's a place. You dey run things in Abico. All the name of say where you build Sadia boy. We know ourselves. Talk like so we constantly pass the same routes as Abidon men together. You understand? I say, bro, and the wrong people I bring you. But nigga they inside we know you right from home. Even when I grow together, do things together. But you have no choice. You have no choice. You have to betray him. Just the same thing. You get one useless guy that they call nothing for Cecilia. Based on a woman, and they take care of her. We not get level for where woman they. Your own nigga will train you, put you for many things how to enjoy life in Africa. Based on say where you say that you can't form a good guy for me. They take my passport, they do many things. Each time you marry, now where is there where both we don't mind take time. A body will sue on me. When police ask me, say, I accuse marriage as a human traffic, drug trafficking, I say yes. But my okay, why are you asking me? Okay, you watch the video, police. Okay, if you maybe you watch the video. Yes. Because anybody I accuse, they don't spend many years for Bodo here. That is not even. If you watch that video, Koti, police, if you watch that video, you hear them say yes, Ibizugbe talk about that woman. Now waiting you don't do them. I can't talk. I never put them for prison before they say yes. Waiting come be your logo. Now when I say they all watch the video, they see everything. I know the bad people for the ground. I don't know them. I don't know them. And they do my things, they go. Have you ever seen me as a bad thing? No. But you know the bad people. Now then go use their hand, point out on the hands. That'll be me. When I go follow those ones when they pay, they go do their job. But me, since when they watch me, I be freedom fighter, I be humanitarian service. I know they watch me for over 6 to 7 years. I know they follow me. I know my capability or my capacity. So this is, if you want to take anything useless, or sorry, take anything solid information, if I deal with them for Bodomon and sit down for now, I'll tell the police they watch. So anybody I make sure their name, follow that person. Follow him. You will know what is up. Now what happened for Bodo that? All the name of Curtis. So it was Douglas and it was make una find one way and other to remove una mess come up for social media. But this guy cannot leave social media because he belongs to us. Douglas era me yari owo kan ute year just where equal ya goman le let me say goman mu ye no I don't wear equal eruya in goman letting ya goman letting woman that give birth to you or a ti boa or because of so yes and we can. So we know the attitude of women. That is why those men who always go to them and canvas them when we see them. I see backward. Also, that we do not. A buy a mere saga. And now the real saga come. Any kata. Whether it's a fellow or one. And then you will know what Monica they face for social media. Will make you go the backup as a backup. Now then you go know what actually the echo better the face. When make you go the call and the Monica with the backup or super women or say women or you know you were no fear kia you hate them or no fear kia them. This issue of adulteress is just the beginning of this. My area, am I last studio? Because I got last studio, you go here now. When. Once again, comrade John in Ibizugbe, the voice of justice. I say, make I tell my people, say, we don't hold another matter when we say, if they talk and comrade concern, Maria Benica, Nika Ogari Etinimo, Ogari Etino Tanse, Ogari anymore. So, Mama won't know, we are we are in Maya that doctrine. Oh man, they do well. Before, a baby no soon died to a dog glass in also. Okay, you might tell you where we bought the ticket in it, or the area Africa, or young, or soon that two are the honor young men, they say of say, hi, hotel. Oh, we are near the dead one, I'm aware, and I'm aware that we on the hotel. Oh, she is sorry. Other young men, area co carried, or we have the ticket anywhere, come to Africa, come and when. Anabi amu you te yanabi atimo and then be on a yamu mere o ten and I went and that way on a yamu anado ya ton tinkwe walking in ni mate shine o te on your teyamu a lot of nabu ye mato de ye ti do mo moge ne ko ri e moge no ka mi ru ye ti do mi o sin bo wa ọmọ abọ́wọ́ adétọ́bọ́ vitamin yìí máa dọ́bọ̀ dọ́bọ̀ ọ̀tàmì yìí ọ̀sí ẹ̀zọ́ rẹ̀ kiri ẹ̀zọ́ lálàdìànà yìí ṣe náà ló máa yẹ fún un bóyá wọ́n kí àwòwá 2019 àbí 2018 bóyá wọ́n kí àwòwá ọ̀nà kan sàn ní ètò ṣáyọ̀ tẹ́ gẹ́gẹ́ fẹ́ nìyẹn fẹ́ èèmọ̀ abẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀ ní buhari ẹ̀ bá rògbò alẹ̀ ọ̀tá nìyẹn. Hey, you're not a lolo, I know just the truth teller, the lolo talk show, organic nation. Organic, oh, when I'm a see when a back here, we're not part of oh, we are built where Africa would or celebrate with them. Where a lolo, where I see out in the boat, tell the time because you have a barrel of oh, and yeah, there's a better can live a fake life, echo better. Fake life or echo better. If we tell you the year where all those things start for social media, not before all those fake life when she fell in for Netherlands, all those things, Holland, no. For social media, if we tell you the fake life when Monica, oh God, okay, where we're not big belly, or we're not that thing we know why, you know. So we don't know what they behind them. We know what they behind Monica on. Today, she never fit the bank. We don't still carry another one. Our matter remains the same. Don't fight with lies. Continue to deliver with truth. I will see you tomorrow morning. Let me go relax because I have Munaba. See you tomorrow morning. Oba talk where he said. Once again, Douglas, find one way or the other. Apologize to the men that matters, who want to carry this matter to the next level. I took your wife indoor. I do the cleanness. And I got with cleanness, we will go see him. Our eye will see him. So that then we know say it will not they oppress you again. And you can finish the job. It will Douglas, ito a Douglas. Amwebo agboma mu na agboma. Owu nu wete we nu we sigio pe no you we ya ara o enu e. Ope ere. Ana do mi wo bo kan do so la dia we. O ma ki owo din e no fun yan to. Iye gwe gwangera goda fun kaya we mi ne. Ni ge do we. And two, your husband, I need his contact. Because after your witness in the main men on social media who want to make sure we forgive you and we hand over you to the family of your husband. We will see and say everything is well done. Now we will come for this idiot, this nincompoop. No who war. Ni jemati leruna eruni ye na manwe na ligbe oya nwe na ligbe monwe. Ana mewe iye ga leruna e manwe. Ni ari mi ba evio kije. But iye ga leruna ye. Ye mama babo ya gba bebo. Oh, o pe no pa be we bo. Una le do ko no mo do. Iye go da fun gba be pari o wa. O wa ni abo ni an lobi yi. O ma ti rete o te. Una be amwe wa ru mo pa ba na aru we ba. O di yo pe na. Ona gune, ona.